Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to handle multiple exceptions at once. So let's start. I will take a string, give it a name like denom from denominator is equal to 7. Next I will convert this variable from string data type to an integer data type. So int denominator is equal to integer dot parse int denom. Next I will define the numerator. So int numerator is equal to, let's say, 231. Next I will define remainder. I will divide numerator by denominator and find the remainder. So numerator, remainder, denominator. So if remainder is equal to 0, we will find out println denominator is a factor of numerator. Now I will run the program. So you can see it is giving 7 is a factor of 231. So I will take the calculator and find out the result. 33 multiplied by 7 is equal to 231. Now in this part of the tutorial, I will deliberately try to throw two exceptions rather than one. So I will change this thing 7 into 0 and run the program and check the result. So you can see in line 8 there is arithmetic exception division by 0. So when you try to divide 231 by 0, it will give division by 0 error. So next I will change this 0 into s, run the program again. Now this time we have an exception at line 6, this line, and this exception is number format exception, saying you can convert an s into an integer. How to handle these two exceptions? I will first convert this s into 7 again and take everything into the try body. Try, and then I will explicitly catch both exceptions. Next I will catch number format exception E. I will print out system.out.println denom is not an integer. Next I will catch arithmetic exception E system.out.println you can divide any number by 0. So I will run the program by first making it 0. So you can divide a number by 0 means that this thing is running. So next I will make it s and run the program again. So you can see s is not an integer. Now this body is executing. So this is all for now for this tutorial, and if you have liked this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel.